Hi, my name is John Solano and welcome to the Cyclist Network. On this episode, I'm traveling to a land of giants, Sequoia. We are driving from Los Angeles to the Lodgepole Campground in Sequoia. It's about a 4.5-hour drive. Here's a map of the Lodgepole Campground campsites. Plenty of firewood around, just bring an axe. Picnic table. Bear box full of goodies. Keep it closed. Fire pit. Good size. Also clip over it. Here's the tent. A lot of trees for shade. Just a great spot here. Next to the river. The hypnotic dance of fire. You can make reservations and get more information about Sequoia at RECREATION.GOV. There's a well-stocked market at the entrance to the campground. There's also restrooms, public showers, a laundromat, and a deli. The visitor center is right behind the market for any other information you need about the park. It's a beautiful day for a bike ride. Let's ride! General's Highway here in Sequoia. It's amazing scenery. Mostly clear roads. It's early in the morning right now. About 9 a.m. Got lucky with the temperature. It's a nice 65 at the start of my ride. Just wore some arms because of the wind, but otherwise it's really comfortable. Here's the Giant Museum, Giant Forest Museum. Big trees all around it. These are amazing trees, to say the least. I mean, trying to get video here. But even with side resolution GoPro, it's tough to really catch how magnificent these trees are. Comes a bus. There's some of the descent on General's Highway. A lot of switchbacks. Kind of slow the traffic down. Obviously the grade is pretty steep. See it on the way up. Try to get a better gauge and the actual grade. It's an amazing climb. Just surrounded by these mountains and the granite walls, and look at that. I mean, you can see if you can. There's more rock up there.
This is my turnaround point at the Hospital Rock picnic area. There are restrooms and water fountains here. It's a good place to refill your water bottles.
So this is the bottom slopes, bottom section of General's Highway. As you can hear, I'm already out of breath. It's averaging about 89% so far. Right now I'm cruising in low gear, 32 in the back, 36 in the front, about 6 miles an hour. Heartbeat, 160. So we come around the switchback, and here's a lookout point, looking up at more rock. Beautiful view. Here you can get a pretty good view of where you just rode up, which is always so motivating. Beautiful day. It's amazing scenery. And you can just see all the hard work you've just done down below. More rock again. Here we are. I'm up about 5,500 feet, entering the forest. There's a sign. Mentions it right away. Here's the entrance to Crystal Cave. From Lodgepole it's about 40 minutes. From here it's about 20 minutes. Just remember, you know, sell tickets there. You have to get them at the Lodgepole Visitor Center. These beautiful trees. Trying to get out of the way here. This is famous areas. People stop to take pictures. Famous spots. Okay, good. I think I made it, huh?
Yeah, almost there. Maybe like a mile.
All right. Hi.
Hey.
It's all open?
Perfect timing.
Awesome. I'll do it this time. Thanks a lot. Right now, here at the Giant Forest Museum. I consider this the summit, for me at least. So I accomplished it. And then shot. On your right. Oh, sorry.
You made it.
Took some work, man. It's not easy. These are rolling hills, some descents. Give you a little bit of a break instead of the straight climbing. I'm riding through Autolog. And get through here. Back to the Giant Tree Museum. There's Autolog. Follow this guy out. To the right there is Sherman Tree parking. Goes up another about a quarter of a mile to the right, and then you walk down to the Sherman Tree from there. Lodgepole Campground. And here we are. Home, sweet home.
It's been an amazing ride, one that I will never forget. Sequoia will give you goosebumps. It will make you feel like a kid again. It will stimulate all of your senses. You will fully absorb the majestic beauty of this ancient land.